Guys, we are in the old town in Salvador, in Bahia. Here, it's a very specific place because you can feel very strong connection to Africa. Once you enter the city, you can really feel it. Why? Feel it. Why? Because it's just exactly here where first African people were coming to Brazil. So you can find very colorful colonial architecture as well. Also, very characteristic, you will hear vivid sounds of ashe and samba music, typical for Afro-Brazilian culture. So, que coisa linda! Guys, we are still in Salvador, in the old town, and here, many years ago, Michael Jackson made his very famous hit, "They Don't Care About Us," with a bunch of Brazilian people from Salvador. And he promoted that place as well by his song. It's very a famous song and I really like it. You can just go back to YouTube and you can check the song of Michael Jackson. It's lots of colors because they play percussion here, like bateria in Portuguese actually. And the sound that you heard before on another video, it's just like a very a good feature of Salvador because they play these instruments here like constantly all over. And over there I just want to show you like this picture of Michael Jackson because he came here and it was like very, you know, big adventure for Brazilians to receive Michael Jackson here. So yeah, it's over there. It's his the picture of Michael Jackson as a sort of souvenir and memory from this time that he came here and he just made this video. So I think that's very interesting and it takes you to that time where Michael Jackson came here. Don't think twice, just come to Salvador.